had a guy give us some top rail off of some old chain link fence. And I'm about to perform a cardinal sin in the welding world of putting heat on galvanized piping. Because I've got two 11-foot long chunks. I am going to heat up either end, make a 6-inch bend on either end to make skids, and then there will be an 8-inch or 8-foot cross piece in between them. You guys kind of see that stripe there? That is your weld line in this galvanized tubing. Because how they make this stuff is they just take some thin metal off a big old roll, run it through a machine, it rolls it up into a ball, and then there's a little TIG welder thing that just runs a seam along here. So this line here is the TIG weld seam. This line is the discoloration from the heat of the TIG weld. And when it galvanizes differently. So, if you're going to be smashing pipe and doing something like that, you need to pay attention to where these are, because if you get this off to the side, it'll split the pipe. So you want to make sure that that is in the middle of where you're smushing your pipe and where you're going to drill your bolt hole. Take that! Now, I have a bolting flange. Because I decided I don't want to die from welding galvanized.
So it went from a round pipe into the vise here, or clamp, or whatever you want to call it. What's it called?
Engineer's vise!
There you go, engineer's vise. Ask him questions while he's making hard work. And then you get yourself a big strong man.
Tired old man.
Tell that pipe what's what. My son's not doing us any favors, but that's okay.
I'm not moving this thing that much more. To get a better camera shot, sorry guys.
Yeah. They also get to see our dirty barn.
Yeah. I know I have.
So here's the roughed out frame of what will be the chicken coop, or the chicken tractor for the meat birds. Our old one was made of wood and plastic corrugate. What's it called? Hang on. Wait. There it is. Yeah. It survived 3 years, but then a goat got out and jumped on top. Broke that, and it was heavy, and it was awkward. And
we're in East Tennessee.
And our hill is bumpy and steep.
Michelle's the one that has to move these all week while I'm at work. Because I'm not even in town. So
we need lighter is better.
We're lightening something up. So that is going to be 8 foot by 10 foot. This is a standard Joel Salatin 10 foot by 12 foot. So we are losing a couple more feet. So we're going to make 2 of these.
Right.
So that shouldn't really hurt us that bad.
No, and for the most part, we weren't really filling up our original tractor to capacity anyway, so we're good. See that, ladies? Get you a man with some muscles.
Is there like a fat guy channel on TikTok?
This is not for fat guys. This is muscle man. Look at them arms.
I'm letting the weight of the pipe do it. I'm more trying to just keep it.
That's what they all say. Now, bend it the right way.
Stuff from the Peanut Gallery. If I want to live off of you, I'd, never mind. Now this, so I was thinking about how our bolts are going to be going through here, and I'm cheap, so this will still provide enough structural integrity and everything if we put it in here. Instead of coming in this way over the top, these will actually sit inside and get bolted on the inside.
It's actually going to keep gappage around the base of the frame too, to keep predators out.
From being here.
Keep baby chickies from escaping.
And that's one less bolt I have to bar. 2 less bolts. Four less bolts. That's a lot less. That's like $30 in bolts right now. That's beer money right there. Drilling the same holes in 5 different long pipes is it's a pain in the butt. It's a pain in the butt. And always to go. Flat metal, round metal. Nice big divots. You should totally wear flip-flops while doing this. Probably just edit that out.
All that prep work, and we've got the basic frame completed, and the rest of it should be somewhat simpler now that we figured it out. The hardest part was getting everything ready to go and mathed.
Yeah. Mathing it out.
Yeah, the math. But look at that. So there's the old tractor, and this is going to be the new tractor. So it'll be easier for us to get in there and grab chickens when it's harvest time. It's a little bit of a stoop, not bad though, but it's better than crawling on your hands and knees and busting your back. Yeah, the kids are getting too big to crawl in there and grab all the chickens anyway, so. We got 2 more support braces that'll go into the middle section. I don't know if we fully decided what type of wind and rain protection we're going to be doing, but we'll see what.
End of build day 1. It is 11 p.m. This is the front. This is the side. I've got to do a support here. I might do a support from there down to here. And on the back, I need to definitely do a support from here to like the center, and from here to the center. I'm also debating doing a support going from like somewhere on the pipe here down to this support, because when you go to move it, it likes to bend here in the middle, and And when we get all this finished, I don't want that. So, anyway, it's another spearmint. Day 2 of the build. I've got my product testers out here ensuring frame integrity and stability. So as they're climbing on this, I'm going to look and see where my structural weak points are, where things are going to shift. Yeah? How's that feel for weight?
It's not bad.
Okay. Gotta make a door. All the math. Oh, so much math. It's a hinge. It's a door. You guys missed Michelle's comments on the situation a second ago.
And we're not YouTube appropriate?
Before anybody says in the comments section, because they see it later, no, zip ties are not an approved predator proofing system. They're there because we've got extra wire and things. So for now, it is just holding things tight and where it needs to go. So that way we can come back later on. Like if you look here where we started, like this is all weaved together and nice and tight. So once we get the 2 or 3 other layers of chicken wire on here, then we can come back in and get everything wired together. But for now, it's just holding it because I don't know how much chicken wire y'all done. It sucks. So, yeah, it does not like to stay where it's supposed to. So, we'll get some more done on this and come back to you. Might be today, might be tomorrow. We'll talk to you guys later. So I'm gonna take some of this stuff, the big gap stuff, spray foam, and we're gonna put it in here. What that's gonna do is now bees and such can't get in there and make homes. So where you go to move it, you got a swarm of wasps coming out of the ends of the pipe. Pro farmer tip, plug the ends of your pipe. So let's be honest for a minute, guys. Don't do anything I do here at home. I'm pretty sure we saw a trained monkey at the zoo today that could give you better building advice than I can. Farmer's log, day 2.5 of the build. Putting on sheet metal by yourself sucks.